Hey, what's going on, family? We're going to try to answer this question right here as to why Ripple is trying to launch a dollar-backed stablecoin. Why are they trying to do that? Give me your thoughts. Give me your opinions in the comment section so that everyone within our community can see what do you really think Ripple is trying to do. Because from my standpoint, I'm just simply seeing a business trying to stay relevant. You know, they tried the cross-border payment platform situation to where you could get those instant payments faster than the SWIFT system that these traditional banks are using today. I think Ripple see that that's not where the world is trying to go. And they're trying to deviate or maneuver around, okay, what's the next thing that we can try to implement within our business infrastructure so that we can stay relevant? That's what I'm saying. Because they see how many other stable coins are already out and they see how it is being transacted and it's being used. But the purpose of what Ripple created XRP for was to be a cross-border payment for faster transactions. But what do you need cross-border payments when you got stable coins? And I kind of see that with so many stable coins being around and they're trying to be backed by these old traditional financial assets like the dollar, government bonds. What if those things go belly up? What if the dollar loses its value tremendously? What if nobody wants to buy government bonds and they begin selling them? What if interest rates continue to go higher and higher and higher? How would that impact these stable coins that are currently being used in the cryptocurrency space? You already have what? Tether, Circle's stablecoin USDC, Tron has a stablecoin, Binance has a stablecoin, PayPal has a stablecoin. Everyone's creating stablecoins that's being backed by something of more tangible value, which seems stable right now. But as we see, if one domino falls, then what's going to happen to the things that are connected to that domino? They will fall too. What is Ripple's stablecoin project? Ripple stablecoin, which is yet to receive an official name, aims to be a United States dollar-pegged digital asset. So what way do you think Ripple is trying to go as a business? Are they trying to be a backstop for the United States government, to where the United States government will use their platform for all of its dollar reserve transactions? Because Ripple has been around in this cryptocurrency space for a long time. They're a well-known player in the blockchain space and a cross-border peer-to-peer payment space. They really wanted to infiltrate that section of the financial world to where people will utilize XRP for their cross-border payments. But now you can see that they're deviating off of that and they're trying to create or enter the stablecoin market this year. The article goes on to read, this initiative could significantly impact the company and the broader cryptocurrency landscape. How's that going to impact the company and the cryptocurrency landscape? I know many of the XRP army is going to think that this is phenomenal, this is great. But again, you can't be everything to all things and think you're going to be great. You really need to nail down what your gift is, what your talent is, and focus on that. So we currently see how Ripple was currently trying to brand themselves as a cross-border payment facility. Now they're trying to deviate and maneuver into stable coins. I wouldn't be surprised if they try to move into NFTs if they haven't done it already, trying to build something off of the XRP blockchain on layer 2. And then trying to enter the DeFi space. What if they do enter the DeFi space? Then what point will it be to have cross-border payments? Those are two opposite conflicting interests. Do you want to be in a centralized space or do you want to be in a decentralized space? Or can you be all things to everybody? Because like I said, in my opinion, I don't think you can. I think you're going to run or be great at that one thing. Ripple stablecoin's value would be directly tied to the US dollar. Again, do you want to take that chance? As the United States continues to print trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars and just hitting the market with this massive amount of paper, should Ripple actually place their stablecoin backing, their value behind a dollar? Or should it be something more intrinsic or something more physical like gold or silver or even Bitcoin? Why the dollar? Offering stability and predictability compared to the often volatile cryptocurrency market. News of the stablecoin surfaced in early 24 following whispers within the industry. The official announcement highlighted Ripple's intention to create a high-quality, trustworthy alternative to existing stablecoins like Tether, USDC. Seriously. Tether, out of these two other stablecoins, probably has the most tarnished brand because many people doesn't think that they have the actual backing of the dollar from the actual Tether stablecoins that they got in supply, and they haven't really been audited. I think they've done an audit before, but it hasn't been like from a reputable accounting firm. But what about the other stablecoins that I just mentioned earlier in the video? What is going to set Ripple apart from all of the other stablecoins? How would they entrench themselves in this already competitive environment? One way, like I said, they already are dealing with traditional banks already. But the banks, why would they want to use a stablecoin when they're supposed to use XRP to do the cross-border payments between that banking currency transacting over to another foreign bank's currency? Something is telling me, I haven't put my complete thought into this, but something is telling me that the cause of all of these stablecoins is because of something that is skirting away from traditional laws, financial laws. Because you don't create all of these stablecoins that's being backed by the dollar unless you have some higher, more prominent, more wealthy individuals utilizing this technology to skirt around something else. Because ordinary people don't have a need for stablecoins like that. So why are people trying to get on board with this stablecoin? These established players have faced criticism in the past regarding transparency and the nature of their reserves backing the peg. Now, go ahead and do a quick research on Google for USDC, Circle's stablecoin, and you can see what happened to them after the last banking run that occurred to SVB Bank, because Circle had their reserves back in the stablecoin in that bank, and once SVB Bank belly up, Circle couldn't get that money back, so they had to maneuver and take the money that they had and put it in another bank. So what if these banks go belly up again? What do you think is going to happen to the stablecoins? Because Circle, if they didn't get help or assistance from the federal government, they would have lost. They would have went belly up. But here he is today. Ripple's trying to enter this same space. Ripple commits to backing the stablecoin with a combination of highly reliable assets, aiming for stability and trust through transparency and quality backing, potentially attracting institutional support. Yeah, okay, that's just fluff. Ripple has committed to backing the stablecoin with a combination of cash equivalents, including, here you go, US dollar deposits held in insured bank accounts. How high is the insurance of these bank accounts? Because the FDIC currently only insures to what, $200,000, $250,000 per account. So if Ripple is going to be a big player in this stablecoin space, they will have to have hundreds of thousands of accounts in order to ensure that they have insurance if the bank goes belly up, and they'll get their money. These offer immediate liquidity and minimize risk. Short-term U.S. Treasurys. Here we go. These are highly secure government bonds which, with low volatility, securing the stablecoin's peg. What if nobody wants the bonds? What if nobody wants these treasuries anymore? And other cash equivalents. This category may include high-grade commercial paper, loans, or money market instruments, offering additional liquidity while maintaining a low-risk profile. Again, all of these things that they're trying to back their stablecoin from, there has been history to which if these begin to crash, massive domino effects occurs across the world. That's all I'm going to tell you, especially if it's based off of a loan that the government has to pay back or companies have to pay back, because that's what this means. High grade commercial paper, that's just simply loans or money market instruments. They're just simply recycling and trying to back their stablecoin off of things that given the recent economic, I'm not going to say calamity, but instability in the world, why would you want to back your stablecoin from those things? To me, it would be better if they just took the stablecoin and backed it by gold, other tangible assets, and Bitcoin. So I wanted to show you all this right here too. This is from Ripple's website. Okay. CBDCs. Do you think Ripple's trying to connect their dollar-backed stablecoin with central bank digital currencies? Do you think people have to go and utilize Ripple's platform to get their CBDCs from? Is that a possible lane that they're trying to create? Because they're trying to say that the future of money is digital, right? And it is. I agree. The Ripple CBDC platform offers a comprehensive platform for minting, managing, transacting, and destroying CBDCs and stablecoins. Each solution is built on a private ledger that is based upon XRP ledger technology, a proven blockchain. Okay. See what else it has to say. The Ripple CBDC platform offers several product modules, including the issuer, operator, end user wallets, and ledger. Connect to domestic payment systems, core ledgers, and other CBDCs to reach new levels of innovation through programmability, support, and smart contracts. So what do you think? Are they trying to enter the CBDC space? Or are they trying to stay within the cross-border payments? Settlement in seconds, not days. Or are they trying to do stablecoins now? Our proven technology and global network enable remittances, SME payments, disbursements, and treasury flows that are faster, more reliable, and more affordable for organizations and their customers. I think Ripple is finding out that this cross-border payment that they really wanted to place their flag upon is not what other banks want to do. It's not what the world governments wants to do with their paper fiat currency. So they're like, okay, cool, we're going to deviate because we've been trying to run down this cross-border payment innovation and technology for the last couple of years, and we're not really getting the partnerships. We're not getting these agreements with these banks. Yes, they do have a couple of banks that is utilizing this technology, but a lot of other banks are not jumping on board. Many banks are trying to create their own stablecoin, like Bank of America. So the competition is going to just get crazy in regards to stablecoins. It's going to be hard for Ripple to try to set themselves apart from what's already out there, in my opinion. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. We did a price prediction in XRP on the 20th. You guys can see that on the 13th of April, it hit our ultimate TP price. So we could get rid of that. We could get rid of this trend line because look, let me zoom out. And you can see that this trend started all the way back in December of 2022. It's been a very slow grind to the upside in Ripple. The news of the SEC came out in July 2023, ran the price up to about 90 cents, came all the way back down in short time, and ever since then it's just been merely consolidating in this space. So the hype is not really here into the market in XRP. It's just not. It'd been crazy if they would have utilized XRP as a backing for their stablecoin, because look at this. You don't see that much volatility really occurring in the market of XRP. And that may be a great comparison or great addition to their stablecoin backing, especially if it doesn't move much. Okay, so let me get rid of this as well. You guys can even see, check this out, that on the 13th of April, the market came down to our second TP price as well too. So that's pretty good to see that too. All right, real quick, let me go to the 2-day chart. I do like it here that we are noticing buyers holding price right around 46 cents to 47. That's great. Here it is on the 3, pretty much getting the same idea there. Here it is on the 5, not too convinced yet. Here it is on the weekly, 2 weeks, 2 more days and 13 hours. We're already seeing the weakness here. We're getting that up fake triggered on the 2 weekly time frame. So if anything, it just may consolidate. The market in XRP may just simply continue to consolidate. I don't think price is going to go higher though. I do see that the price, if anything, is just going to consolidate. I think that's the best current situation into the market in XRP, with the advent that price can still go lower. So the next area outside of these 2 buy zones to which price is already touched will be here. Okay, so I'll create that area. That would be my third area that we could see the market in XRP come down towards and try to hit. Okay, so let me see if I can fix that a little bit better. So now, for a very short time frame, we're going to go ahead and anticipate the price action in XRP trying to go up. Okay, it's a very short time frame. This would be the area right here that I'll be looking for the market in XRP to try to reach. So that would be our first target. It won't be much. So let me show you. It's like 9.25% move right there. If they're able to break this zone, 55 cents, this will be the next area right here. Okay. So now, we'll just do that one target. I'm not going to bring it all the way up here to the second sell zone yet, because I'm not convinced that the market is that bullish yet. So we'll just do in or within this first sell zone, either at the low or the high. Okay, 9.5% there. Let me bring this in a little closer. And that's it, I'm done. Give me your thoughts.